Hey, it's Joseph here. I'm here with a box from MSI. It is MSI's Modern series laptop. I want to unbox and showcase to you. Let's go ahead and open this. It says content creation, so I suppose this is gonna help you with content creation. Okay, here on the box it says create your moment modern series. I've been opening quite a few laptop boxes lately, and most of them are sort of the high-end laptops that you have to spend a lot of money for. And I've been always questioned, what about the laptops for students or more budget-oriented laptops? So supposedly this is the one. On the back, it states the spec. It is Modern 14-inch series and B10MW SKU. It is black color and it is LED panel with 14-inch Full HD anti-glare IPS level 60Hz screen, and then CPU is Intel Core i7 10510U processor, and VGA, the Intel UHD graphics, so it doesn't have dedicated graphics card. Hard drive or the storage is 520 gigabytes. SSD, and RAM is DDR4 16 gigabytes, and then it's got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo with Windows 10 Professional. Actually, that's good to have because a lot of laptops on a low grade doesn't come with a professional version of Windows. And the battery is 52.4 watt hour battery, 3 cells. You can expect pretty good amount of battery life out of this too, at least by the spec. There's some wrapping, and I suppose this is a charger portion. And the expected barrel plug is right here, so just a US cord. And it is much like any other USB-C charger, but on the other end is the barrel charger that you're gonna have. It's not big, it's quite easy to carry, on this size at least. And by the way, before I forget, as a full disclosure, I have not been sponsored by MSI. Rather, this was a unit that was sent for review purposes, like the unboxing and the review purposes, and I am to return this unit to them back again. And I only requested to review this unit because I thought this laptop would be suitable for more student and budget business oriented purposes. So the friends at MSI said, okay, go ahead and review this unit, tell us about it. So that's what I'm about to do here. So this video is just based on my observations and experiences. I only have seen the specs online. This is actually first time for me to take a look at it too. So let's go ahead and do that. It's surprisingly light, the red dragon for MSI. I'm gonna leave it in here. And because this is more budget-oriented machine, I'm not expecting like a high build quality or anything like that. Okay, inside here is a black machine. Similar finish as other MSI laptops. It is sort of metallic. It is not heavy, as you can see. It is black. On the reflection, it looks pretty nice, with some fingerprints that I have left. So obviously it's catching some fingerprints, especially sort of the body oil, I guess. On the back, they got some grill here. The grill work is sort of abstract. That's pretty cool. And it's got the rubber feet and some rubber parts on the hinge to support and lift up the laptop. And I can see a fan here for the intake and some heat pipes as well. In the top with the dragon logo, it is looking sleek. Let's look at the I/O, the ports. So starting from this end, there is a charging indicator, the power indicator, headphone jack, 2 USB-A ports. But on the other side, there is a barrel plug, the DC charger, and then full-size HDMI, which is very good to see, and then USB-C port. I believe that is not Thunderbolt because I don't see the sign of it here. And then micro SD card reader. I always like seeing that. I know some people want full-size SD card reader, but for me, micro SD card reader is sufficient because I can put them in and then forget about it as additional storage for the laptops. That's up to you. I guess some people don't like it. And then onto the front, there's nothing apparent other than little wedge here so you can put your finger on and then I guess open the laptop. Okay, so one hand operation is entirely possible. There are some laptops that doesn't do that. So here you can see the laptop has opened up and then allowed more air gap for it to breathe better. So that's really good feature, and that explains the rubber feet that was on the back of the screen, and it gives you a better positioning for your typing experience too. It just kind of tilts up, and inside it is looking pretty good as well. I like the sleek look and all black finish here. So the keyboard is completely full, it's just taking the entire deck. And then good size trackpad in the middle, and on one corner it's gonna say Modern because it is a Modern series, and then Intel Core i7 series 10th gen. Just a MSI logo in the middle there. It's all black, so it's kind of hard to show you everything. And then I see a webcam up there. I suppose the little holes on either side is a microphone stereo separation. So in terms of keyboard layout, there's some oddity of function key and control division, and then arrow key is slightly tucked into the rest of the right side of the keyboard. And the delete key is here, and the power button is swapped with the delete key. I guess it is sort of the expected place, but you also expect delete key to be that corner as well. So I don't know, I guess take your pick, but this is a power button, and then print screen, just usual function keys up there available. So I'm gonna have to test the battery and report back to you, perhaps listed on the side what the battery life is like. But I can also do sound testing. So on YouTube I can do something like, let me go ahead and up the volume. So that's definitely not a strong bass, but you just heard it. So I'll leave the judgment to yourself here. Okay, so that is 1080p video, and it is looking pretty good. So overall, it's really light. Actually, it's quite lighter than some other laptops that I have tried. On a 14-inch screen size body with the very thin bezels all around, that is good amount of screen real estate. There is a big chin on the bottom of the bezel, but it gets tucked in as it kind of folds down and then lifts off the laptop. And it is able to go this much. It goes pretty much flat. The hinge feels very good. There's a little bit of deck flex. I get mixture of feelings. The surface to the touch, it feels like metal. It does kind of creaks like plastic. I suppose it is plastic, but the finish is on point. It looks almost metallic, doesn't it? Overall, great laptop. Only my concern would be to carry this around instead of USB-C charging. As a charger, it's not really that big either. Okay, so now that we have looked at the spec and function of the laptop, let's talk prices. This one is priced at $929. That is pretty good price for this laptop because you would be able to do all the student works and also business as well. So if you're needing somewhat economical type of laptop that is not requiring hardware intensive tasks, then you can certainly go with this. I'm definitely recommending this laptop now for student purposes on the $1,000 budget range. So if you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for continue watching these type of videos. And thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you next time. Bye.